Up here you've got your water gauge. If you press the test button, you can see that the water tank is full and the waste tank is empty. The water tank holds 110 litres of fresh water and the waste tank holds about 65 litres. This is the Victron energy control panel. You can monitor your usage by downloading the Victron Connect app. At the moment, we've got the inverter turned on, which means our power points will work. Your air conditioner will turn on. In order to turn it off and just to activate the battery power, that's now 240's turned off. The battery power is just on. At the moment, that's getting trickle charged by 3 solar panels. That will power your cooktop. That will power your oven. It'll power your fridge, your hot water unit, and your max fan. All these will work too. So your USB point here will work. You've got your diesel heater, which is turned on like that. So you turn that on all the way. It'll give you hot air. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to get extremely hot. Just make sure that's pointed away from the wall. You've got your TV wall unit, which is powered by your point there, which is the old smoking point. Coaxial, your booster for the coaxial. At the moment, we're just charging our phones and accessories. So if you download the Victron Connect app, you'll be able to see your usage by selecting the smart shunt. We'll have more information on that. Here you'll see your light switches just here. Left side lights, so that'll be your front light there on your left. Lights on your left popping up there. Your lights on your right are here. Your O is your outside light, which is situated on your awning. Your A is your awning light, and your P is the pump to pump your water. If you want to turn all these off, you just press this button there. Or you can turn it on and off by pushing it. Just got the Webasto air conditioner controller, which is just located there. As you might want to note, we've turned the inverter on, or if the van is plugged into the mains, it overrides everything. So if the van is plugged into the mains, you've always got 240 volt on. So I've turned that inverter on because we're going off grid, and I've turned our air conditioner on there. You can see the blue light up. Your max fan is a rain dome, so it can push in air from the outside. It can work when it's raining, and it is activated with a remote, or you can actually set it to 26 degrees. So if you are parked at a car park, if the van does get a bit too hot, the fan will kick in at 26 degrees. You'll just need the window at the back open just a little bit to help cross ventilate. This is just your dimmer switch here, and that will help dim your front lights. Got your remote control there for your aircon. You've got your controller for the max fan and your hot water unit. So the soap that we do have here is a biodegradable product. So you may want to note that we have used a copper splashback. The reason why we chose copper over tile is that it reduced the weight of the van and makes it more economical for travel. You've got your pull-out sink there with hot and cold. You've got your toughened glass cooktop. It's a diesel cooktop. You've got more storage here. And you've also got a control panel. You've got your smoke alarm just above your bed. You've got your light panel there, which will turn everything off through this master also. It'll also turn off your pump. By pushing that, all your lights will go off. And if we turn them all back on, you can see here above the head of you, you've got a dimmer. And that dimmer will go that way and that way. If you're finding this light doesn't turn on, it's because the dimmer's turned off. So all these cabinets below have these clips. You've got a 3 rubbish bin, one for waste, one for recycling, one for your greens. You've got a drainer here for draining your dishes. And you've got some stuff for cleaning. Under here is just a little bit more storage. And then right here, you've got your compostable toilet. So just right here, you've got your fire blanket and a fire extinguisher, your toilet paper, a brush and pan, a squidgy for your shower base, and you've also got your capsules to put inside your portable toilet. Read the instructions on the back on what to do. This portable toilet is currently engaged, so it's locked in there. And in order to remove it, you just pull that clip out. So now it's locked in. So just right here, you've got your Bushman's DCX series 130 litre fridge. Currently it's off. You switch here. When you arrive to the vehicle, that will turn your fridge on. You've got a freezer there, and I just leave it on level 2 or 3, but you can adjust your settings to how it suits. So you've got overhead cabinets just there. They go all the way back, held open with gas struts. Here's your pull-out pantry. You'll have a chamois, tea towel. This is for your tea, which has a strainer for loose leaf. Pots, plates. You may want to sometimes make sure that this is engaged by pushing that up, because if you do turn at a corner, these might slide out, and if they do slide out, it's because that's disengaged. So just make sure it's all the way up. And you've got an espresso machine for grounded coffee, salt and pepper, cups, chopping board, fry pan, strainer, pan for boiling water,